When he said, "Leave the house, I don't want you anymore," it felt like someone had pulled the ground away from beneath my feet. My world collapsed. I stood frozen, staring at the man I had trusted with my whole life. My voice trembled as I whispered, "What? Where will I go? I have no money." But he didn't even look back. His eyes, once filled with love, were now cold and distant. For years I had cooked for him, prayed for him, loved him with all my heart. He was my world, but in a single sentence, he destroyed me. Tears rolled down my face. He just turned his back and walked away, leaving me with silence. That night was longest of my life. I sat on the floor with nothing but my tears. I had given him my time, my youth, my dreams, and in return, he left me with emptiness. I sat alone staring at the empty walls. My heart is screaming in pain. I kept asking myself, was my love not enough? Did my sacrifices mean nothing? For days I wandered between anger and heartbreak. I questioned myself, was I a burden? But slowly the pain started turning into strength. I realized I didn't need him to survive. Something inside me whispered, he may have left you, but you still have yourself. I wiped my tears. For the first time in years, I looked at myself in the mirror, not at someone's wife, not at someone's shadow, but as a woman who still had strength within her. I started a part time job in a bakery, long hours, little pay, but with each coin I earned, I built a new version of myself, a stronger one. Days turned into months. The pain slowly became my power. I studied at night, worked during the day, and never stopped believing that I could rise again. And one evening, standing in my own small apartment, holding the keys I had earned with my hard work, I smiled through my tears. He left me, but he didn't destroy me. In fact, he gave me the chance to meet the strongest version of myself. I smiled through tears, whispering to myself, he left me, but I found me. And that day I understood sometimes people leave you so that you can finally find your own strength.